Nike's partnership with Sushi Club is finally moving from exclusivity to retail, with the Air Force 1 Low set to release in fall 2025. What began as a friends and family pair in 2024, commemorating Nobu Matsuhisa's 30th anniversary and guided by Chris Stamp, has now grown into one of the most anticipated sneaker launches of the year. The earlier Sushi Force 1 design showcased crisp white leather, minimal detailing, and the signature SF1 lace dubrae, which instantly resonated with collectors. This retail debut sparks intrigue as fans wonder if the upcoming release will retain the understated elegance of its predecessor or introduce fresh creative twists. While Nike and Sushi Club have yet to reveal specifics, the drop reflects both brands' ability to blend exclusivity with accessibility, ensuring buzz within the sneaker world intensifies as the official unveiling approaches.